Imagine you twisted your ankle while walking in China. You yelled, "Ouch!" But nobody turned around to see whether you were doing okay. You might wonder, why nobody cared? It's not that nobody cares. It's that you need to learn how to say ouch in Chinese. 哎呦. Please repeat after me. 哎呦. 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 Now, let's pretend it really hurt and say it faster. 哎呦. 哎呦. I'm pretty sure that you will get some attention this time. Well done! 好样的. See you tomorrow. 明天见. I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumbs up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.